In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube Shorts not working or stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, completely close the YouTube app and reopen it, as temporary glitches can sometimes prevent Shorts from loading properly. If the problem continues, make sure you are using the latest version of the YouTube app. To check that, navigate to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be resolved. If you're still having the issue, what you can do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, go to General. Now click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Now go ahead and click on the option Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Next up, check the server status of YouTube. To do that, launch your preferred browser. Type in YouTube server status and search for it. Now navigate to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If none of these solutions work, completely delete the YouTube app. Press and hold on the YouTube app. Select the option Remove app, click on Delete app and confirm the deletion. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube and then install it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.